All right, YouTube, we're back. Got a new garage video again for you guys tonight. We ended up not racing over the weekend. Wanted to touch base with everyone. Richmond Raceway decided to run supers instead of crates, and then all the other local tracks that were running crates rained out. So it ended up kind of being a wash of a weekend, so we didn't really get any racing done, which that's all right because we weren't ready for racing. We've still got extra work to do on the car. We got the other All-Star bearing spacer to go on the left front, and we did go by. I want to show you guys what the Legend has prepared for us here. Got our new carburetor again. This has got a new base plate on it, so, and then I'm going to try to get a little bit closer here. We installed these little plates here. Drew's looking up on the internet right now what those things, what you can buy those for. We didn't buy them, we made them. Well, I should rephrase that. The Legend made them. So we're pretty excited about putting that in that hole. And for those of you that watched the last video, you notice we have finished all the body work. We actually worked on this thing the other week. We didn't do any filming. It was a lot of beating and banging. We had some big time problems getting this flopper to line up here. As you guys notice, it's looking pretty good now. What we ended up finding out is we kept trying to move the flopper forward in this direction. What we really needed to do is move it back. We moved it back an inch, and this thing lined up about as good as we're gonna get it. However, it's left us with some Swiss cheese here. Hopefully it's just gonna allow some air into the engine bay. We're gonna go with that. We're gonna roll with that. All right, Drew, any luck back here in the back?
No, not really.
No? Let's see here.
Oh, what's this? Thompson Performance?
There you
Power
go.
Blast?
The Power Blast plate.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see. I don't know. Where's that now?
Oh, that's it. That's the one.
Okay, yeah,
Let's get YouTube a shot of it here. It looks good on the surface screen. So you can purchase these online. Can you pull up how much they cost? Sorry for the noise there.
Oh, here's
yeah.
some better pictures.
Look at these things.
You attach them to the squirter discharge. They're $40.
$40 a piece.
Yeah, that's not terrible.
So, well, the Legend made us a set, and once we get this thing fired up, we're gonna let you guys check that out, see what that looks like. In the meantime, we're going to get working on this here hot rod, trying to get the carburetor in.
Happy Father's Day to everybody. That's what day it is today. We'll let Sam go here.
Got everything hooked on. A lot of guys been giving us some flack about our fuel pressure regulator setup here, and they're probably right. We probably do need to put some sort of bracket on here, some sort of bracing. There's actually a stud right here that we could put a bolt in and make this little bracket to come up here and just kind of shore this up. But I mean, we've been running it this way for years, so I'm not really sweating it too much. But we did put the paint marks on there to make sure things are rocking and rolling. We've got the new linkage hooked up. Let's see here, get that new linkage footage. Oh yeah, there it is. Double return springs, not enough with just one throttle stop in. So we're looking snappy pappy here. We're gonna take these guys off so we can wash these. We got new outerwears to go over top. We're gonna get this bearing spacer put in on this side, and then that'll probably get us set up pretty good for getting ready for practice upcoming Moeller Raceway Park.
Yeah, hopefully that works out for us. We found out that Moeller's running practice on Sunday. We were thinking about going to Rockcastle, but Rockcastle's about 2 hours away. Yeah. And it would be our first time going there. But that's still not out of the question. There is upcoming rain, so the weather is not good for this region. It went from hot, cold, back to hot. So
it's Kentucky weather.
Yeah, it's all over the board. At least the cicadas are dying down.
No, they're still out there. I still hear. I heard them driving in. I said, "Golly, are they just not about had enough?"
Hopefully we'll get some practice in at Moeller. It's a short track. You saw it a couple weeks ago, and it's from like noon to 8. I think it is, something like that. So we'll hopefully get a lot of some tuning in. That's what we need. Burn the rubber off these tires, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'd say we go burn a set of tires up, learn some stuff while we're at the track.
Yeah,
and
I agree.
Then that'll make us stronger for when we are ready to go back and race again. And
yep. Now it's time to put in the wheel spacer here, bearing spacer. Whatever.
DRP, give them a shot of the DRP down there.
The DRP.
With the caliper on there.
Yeah.
Got the DRP on that side,
yeah.
All-Star on this side. And you guys can look at the last video and see how the DRP worked out and compare it to this one. And we're going to get you back to some time lapse so we can get some more work done, turn the music back on. Appreciate everybody hanging out
and
today.
The AC
and the
AC.
But hey, if you've been liking our project so far, want to see us get back out to the track, make sure you hit the like, subscribe button below. We always love what everybody has to say, so give us a comment, let us know how bad we're doing, or let us know we're keeping on track. Appreciate you guys. All right, here we go, real quick, so we don't get caught for the music in the background. Here's our before. The side spins really good, as is. We're gonna put the bearing spacer in there and see what happens. Well, I'm back at it with the voiceovers again. We had a little technical error with the GoPro and got the footage rolling, but didn't have the microphone rolling. So we ended up with an issue with the All-Star wheel bearing spacer, and that it wouldn't, when I screwed down the adjustable end, I bottomed out the thread, and I needed probably another 0.010 of an inch more to make it work for our particular wide 5 right front. And you can actually hear it right here as I'm moving it back and forth. There's 0.010 of an inch play. We measured with a dial indicator. That's 10 times the limit that we're supposed to have. So with that being said, we tried to do the best we could. We just had to take it back out and put the pieces back in, and we're gonna let Drew finish it up here and get you guys back to some more garage action.
All right, we got the carb all in. We got our underwears on, and they're a little big. Oopsie, that's all right. They'll still work.
The baggy underwears.
The baggy underwear, yeah, it's a little baggy. Loose is fast.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
they're
like
tight on there. They won't fall off.
I like that. Loose is fast.
Loose is fast. All right, so plan is Sunday practice. That way we've got good ample time to make some good changes on the car and hopefully see an effect. Possibly race at Rock Castle, weather pending for everything. Other than that, been a little shy on the videos here lately, but we've been busy. We got football season coming up. Vacations are out of the way, I think.
For now.
For now. For now.
Summer's not over.
Yeah, no, it's not over. But thanks for hanging out. And check out the next video. It's going to be coming up. Should be getting ready for race day or practice day, whichever one it comes.
Whatever one comes first. I think Mother Nature, as always, is going to have the last say so.
Yeah. It shows rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the northern area. Not necessarily in the Rock Castle area, but we'll see. We'll get it on the scales, see where it's at. But yeah, it's back together.